We thank those serving in our United States military. Today, we have awards provided by the United States Air Force and the Office of Naval Research, which supports both the United States Navy and the United States Marine Corps. The U.S. Air Force provided a U.S. Air Force Certificate of Achievement. The winner of the U.S. Air Force Award is displayed. The Office of Naval Research, on behalf of the U.S. Navy and U.S. Marine Corps, supports the Regional Science Fair. Each winning student receives a Certificate of Achievement, letter of congratulation, and medallion. Additionally, the two winners in the senior division must submit an online award verification form to receive a $50 e-card educational recognition award. The winners of the Office of Naval Research Awards are displayed. Agriculture is an important industry in the Mid-Columbia. The following projects involved plant science were awarded. The American Chemical Society, founded in 1876 and chartered by the U.S. Congress, the American Chemical Society is one of the world's largest scientific organizations with more than 155,000 members in 150 countries. ACS mission is to advance the broader chemistry enterprise and its practitioners of the benefit of Earth and its people. The ACS vision is to improve people's lives through the transforming power of chemistry. The following students are recognized for their achievement in this area.
The Columbia chapter of the Health Physics Society is a professional organization whose members are specialists in radiation safety. These health physicists are dedicated to maximizing the beneficial use of radiation while minimizing the risk to people and the environment. The following students received their award.
American Indian Science and Engineering Society, AISES, Columbia River Professional Chapter, CRPC. Founded in 1977, the AISES is a nonprofit organization whose goal is to substantially increase the representation of American Indian and Alaskan Natives in science, technology, engineering, math, and other related disciplines. The CRPC, founded in 1991, supports these national goals while working at the local and regional level. The following students are recognized for their achievement in this area. NASA Earth System Science Award. Earth system science is the study of the complex system and the interconnections that occur on Earth. Earth's spheres interact in complex ways. The different spheres that make up our Earth system are the atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, cryosphere, snow and ice, and biosphere. Changes in one sphere affect other spheres because they are all interconnected. NASA is developing a scientific understanding of how Earth's system responds to changes that are occurring as a result of natural and man-made causes. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA Earth System Science Project Award goes to the student whose project offers the greatest insight into Earth's interconnected systems. This year's winner is displayed.
The Yale Award. Yale Science and Engineering Association, Incorporated, provides an award for most outstanding 11th grade exhibit in science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. The winner for this year is displayed.
RICO Corporation. RICO Corporation presents the RICO Sustainable Development Award, presented to the student whose research has demonstrated the principles and technical innovations that offer the greatest potential for sustainable development. This year's winner is displayed.
The Tri-City Astronomy Club. Tri-City Astronomy Club recognizes projects related to astronomy. This year's winner is displayed.
Mu Alpha Theta. The Mu Alpha Theta, the National High School and two-year college mathematics honor society, presents the Mu Alpha Theta Award for the project that demonstrates the most challenging, original, thorough, and creative investigation of a problem involving mathematics accessible to a high school student. STEM Enthusiast. The STEM Enthusiast Award recognizes middle school projects that best demonstrate students' creativity and innovation in exploring the world around them. Students will be receiving a certificate and gift card. The American Society of Mechanical Engineers is a not-for-profit membership organization that enables collaboration, knowledge sharing, career enrichment, and skills development across all engineering disciplines. Founded in 1889 by a small group of leading industries, ASME has grown through the decades to include more than 120,000 members in over 140 countries around the globe. The winners of the ASME Award are displayed. Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE, is a professional association for electronic engineering and electrical engineering and associated disciplines. The IEEE is the world's largest technical professional organization dedicated to advancing technology for the benefit of humanity. The displayed students won the IEEE award. INMM. We are the Institute of Nuclear Material Management, Pacific Northwest Chapter. Our official slogan states, "We are dedicated to the safe, secure, and effective stewardship of nuclear materials and related technologies through the advancement of scientific knowledge, technical skills, policy dialogue, professional capabilities, and best practices." But put more simply, we exist because the power of the atom demands that we exist. How does Spider-Man state it? With great power comes great responsibility. Well, that's what we're all about. The power of the atom is the most abundant energy source known to mankind. It powers the sun, but that kind of power creates problems, safety, security, and environmental waste. We have to do it right, and the Institute of Nuclear Materials Management is all about doing nuclear the right way. With that in mind, we want to award a project that not only does great science, but ensures it's done the right way with safety, security, and environmental stewardship in mind from start to finish. Following student is recognized. Inspiring Excellence Incorporated. Inspiring Excellence Incorporated supports science fair students with awards for demonstrating excellence. Excellence is displayed by the following traits: interest, desire, enthusiasm, perseverance, diligence, scholarship, and a positive attitude. The displayed students are recognized for science or for excellence in their chosen project. Inspiring Excellence Incorporated also wishes to recognize a teacher who inspired their students to reach excellence.
In presenting this award, our judges hope to encourage increased participation in computer science, one of today's fastest growing fields and an important source of innovation for the 21st century. The winner of the Computer Science Award will receive an award certificate a $100 cash award. The winner of that award is displayed here.
The U.S. Metric Association provides one award for the best use of SI, the International System of Units, in a science fair project. This year's award winner is displayed.
Washington State Science and Engineering Fair. The Washington State Science and Engineering Fair, WSSEF, provided one award for outstanding research-based project achievement. The award recipient receives a complimentary registration fee to the Washington State Science and Engineering Fair.
The American Psychological Association has provided an award for outstanding research in psychological science under the category of behavioral and social sciences, or any category related to psychology. This year's winner is displayed. ANS Eastern Washington Chapter. ANS is committed to advancing, fostering, and promoting the development and application of nuclear sciences and technologies to benefit society. This year's winner, with a $1,000 scholarship from the Eastern Washington section of the American Nuclear Society, is recognized. The Society for In Vitro Biology provided an award for the most outstanding 11th grade project exhibiting in the area of plant or animal in vitro biology or tissue culture. The Association for Women Geoscientists Award is presented to the female student whose project exemplifies high standards of innovativeness and scientific excellence in the geosciences. This year's winner is recognized.
The American Meteorological Society presents a certificate of outstanding achievement for excellence in atmospheric or related sciences. This year's winners are displayed here.
Water Environment Federation, WEF. The Stockholm Junior Water Prize Regional Award of Excellence for a water-related science research project goes to winning projects aimed at enhancing the quality of life through improvement of water quality, water resource management, or water and wastewater treatment. All high school students in 9th through 12th grade, at least 15 years old by August 1st of 2022, who have conducted water-related science projects have the opportunity to enter their state Stockholm Junior Water Prize competition. Students must enter the 2022 Stockholm Junior Water Prize state competition online by April 15th of 2022. This year's MCSF winners are recognized. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration provides NOAA's 2022 Taking the Pulse of the Planet Award. This award is presented to the student whose research has demonstrated the principles and technical innovations that offer the greatest potential for an improved understanding of the Earth's dynamic processes. This year's winner is recognized. ASM Materials Education Foundation provides an award to the most outstanding exhibit in material sciences. This year's winner is displayed. The Society of Women Engineers, SWE. The Society of Women Engineers takes a very active role in encouraging young women to investigate technical career paths. The following Best Female Science Project winners are recognized. The Lemelson Early Inventor Prize. for the development of an outstanding invention exhibited at a Society for the Science and Public Science Affiliated Science and Engineering Fair. The prize includes a $100 award for a 6th through 8th grade inventor. The deadline for the submission process for payment of the award is July 1, 2022. U.S. Agency for International Development, USAID. The United States Agency for International Development provided the Science Champion Award for scientific excellence and using science innovatively to create a potential solution for international development challenges. Sivaraman Award. The Sivaraman Award is to recognize creativity, hard work, perseverance, and the ability to take risks, attributes needed to solve the most pressing problems in the world. The following students are recognized. Broadcom Masters nominees. The Broadcom Masters Math, Applied Science, Technology, and Engineering for Rising Stars is the national competition for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students who participate in affiliated affairs. The top 10% of 6th, 7th, and 8th grade participants have been selected for this honor. Each nominee needs to complete an online application to continue in the national competition to be eligible for valuable prizes and awards. The online entry must be submitted by June 15th, 2022 deadline to enter the next phase of the competition. All Broadcom Masters nominees that successfully complete the 2022 Broadcom Masters online application will receive a t-shirt and other prizes such as a free digital prize. From the entrants, the top 300 masters will be selected and receive $125 and a prize package. 30 of the top 300 will be named finalists and win an all expenses paid trip to Washington, D.C. from October 27 to November 2 to participate in the Broadcom Masters Finals. Note, the Society will reevaluate holding an in-person event depending on the status of COVID-19 in the fall of 2022. The top winners will win the $25,000 Samuel Foundation Prize. Additionally, in recognition of the importance of the contributions of schools and teachers' STEM education, each top 300 Masters classroom will receive special prizes and each finalist school receives $1,000. Rochester Institute of Technology and the Terra Science and Education Incorporated have sponsored the Exceptional Genius Olympiad Award to honor projects that display excellent work in the environment. The Exceptional Genius Olympiad Award grants the student participation in the Global Environmental Issues Genius Olympiad to be held virtually between June 6th through 11th of 2022. Winning students must submit their application, which includes a video, by April 15th with a $50 application fee. The participation fee is $25 after the project finalists are announced on May 5th. Dr. Richard S. Stark Memorial Scholarship, $200, will pay for the application and participation fees. Participation and presentation deadline is May 15th. The director will have to register the student in the Genius Olympiad website. Future STEM Professional Award. This award was given to the student whose science fair project exhibits the characteristics of inquisitiveness, proactivity, and professionalism that we need in our society. The student's name is displayed. The Links Incorporated is an international not-for-profit corporation established in 1946. The membership consists of more than 16,000 professional women of African descent in 292 chapters located in 41 states, the District of Columbia, the Commonwealth of the Bahamas, and the United Kingdom. It is one of the nation's oldest and largest volunteer service organization of extraordinary women who are committed to enriching, sustaining, and ensuring the culture and economic survival of African Americans and other persons of African ancestry. Women of Wisdom Tri-Cities, also known as WOW Tri-Cities, is a nonprofit 501c3 charity human services organization in Eastern Washington. WOW provides a way for women to work together for the common good, transforming shared beliefs and hopes into action. Women of Wisdom Tri-Cities serves African American, Black, Indigenous, and people of color in our community. Their mission is equity. Women of Wisdom Tri-Cities facilitates programs and outreach that bridge the gap of access to nutrition and mental wellness, health and wealth disparities, provide access to technology and human services for women and their children, developing the whole family. These two organizations have gotten together to honor African American participants in the Mid-Columbia Regional Science and Engineering Fair. Regeneron Biomedical Science Award. Regeneron Biomedical Science Award is presented to an exceptional student scientist who not only demonstrates an impressive command of biomedical sciences, but also embodies Regeneron's core values, known the Regeneron way. These include lead with science, take on big ideas, make it happen, be great together, and do what's right. The award includes a certificate and a $500 prize. This year's winner is recognized. National Geographic Society sponsored That's Geography, Cultivating Empathy for the Earth Award for the development of an innovative geography project. The award will include a $100 award and certificate to a student who is seeking solutions to the Earth's most pressing challenges around ocean, land, wildlife, human history and culture, and human ingenuity. This year's winner is recognized.
The Rosalind Franklin Award. This award is given in honor of Rosalind Franklin, the scientist whose work was crucial in solving the structure of DNA, but did not receive a Nobel Prize for the effort. The Rosalind Franklin Award is sponsored by Dr. Rama Devagupta, who holds a PhD in bioorganic chemistry from Texas A&M University. Rama is a National Board Certified Teacher, AP Reader for College Board, Murdoch Partners in Science Fellow, and 2022 NEA Foundation Global Learning Fellow. As a sponsor of the Rosalind Franklin Award, Rama seeks to promote budding young scientists who perform research without access to traditional lab equipment or facilities. The displayed students are being recognized for their achievements in this area.